Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones Day Trade setup for today. So, looking at the Dow, we sort of have had a sell-off this week, and we're hovering around this area here. And for me, we're trying to maintain ourselves above this area, but with a pin bar and a range bar, it's actually quite simple. A break below the structure was formed yesterday is going to get us moving to the downside. Lastly, this is the flag that we have, or the range that we have. So just draw the other level in. You can see what we're talking about. So there's our bear flag, and if you look at that, big move up, big move down. Yeah, you can argue that we have broken to the upside of this level, which is fairly strong. It's on the weekly and monthly charts as well, which is 31,055. I suppose you could just round that off to 3,100. So we're just hovering around that 3,100. If it doesn't look like we're going to get a move to the upside, it just looks like this kind of scenario here, where we're just going to hover around here for a bit, and then some catalyst is going to come out, and we've got data coming out today, so that may just be the catalyst that everybody's waiting for this thing to fall. But in saying that, we do need to get through this area as well, and that's 37.53. So for me, short trades would be looked at from a break of 37.53. So if we just get down to the lower time frames, look at the 3-hour. Buyers are still trying to come in here, but we are, and that you can see there's a crossover in the moving averages. So there are buyers coming in, but we are below the 155, and we're sort of hovering in amongst the moving averages at the moment. So 50-50 call right now. We can go either way with the structure that was formed yesterday, and it was a pretty frustrating day, to say the least. And there it is there. So no real movement. Crossover of the moving averages, a double test of the moving averages, and the 155 here. My opinion at the moment is we're probably looking for a move to the downside. So we did get a bit of data out yesterday, which was negative, but I think most of that's been priced in. I mean, we've got jobs numbers coming out, or non-farm payrolls next week, and then we've got jobs numbers coming out today. So that may be the catalyst people are looking for. But to be quite honest, nobody really knows what's going on right now. So yeah, if it's going to fall, it needs to fall. Economy needs to recover, find its feet, and then we can move on. But as it stands now, it's a lot of times, a lot of days in actual fact, it's just guesswork that you're trying to sort out. Okay, 15 minutes, have a look at that. No ways you can trade that. There's absolutely no ways you can say that you are a retail trader that can make money in that kind of scenario. So for me, until this breaks, and unfortunately this level down below is going to have to break as well before I even start looking at this. So this is sideways, it's ranging, it's danger. It's not something I want to be trading at the moment. So we will wait for a break. Break and retest of 3,900 or 3,100 to be exact, I think. And then a break above 31,192 and a retest of that will get me looking for opportunities to the upside, which will basically be capped by the top of this flag. Any move down and we start breaking below 37.53, watch out below, because I think it's going to be a pretty swift and pretty big move down. You're probably going to get something like this, which wouldn't surprise me if it happens at the end of the week, because that has been the story pretty much every time we've had a big green bar. The sellers have stepped in, and you can see at the left the structure that's here. So break below that structure. This is your next level of structure that you're looking at, and I think that is pretty much on the cards. We just have to wait patiently for it. That is 29,562. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my view today. I hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.